Imagine this. You go to a restaurant with your friend. The menu is in English. The waiter speaks English. Your friend talks in English. And you don't know what to say. Don't worry. Today, I'll teach you a simple restaurant conversation in English, step by step, so you can speak confidently without fear. What are you going to order, Richard?
I think I'll have chicken pasta. What about your choice? What do you like to order?
Something tasty and spicy, like chicken tikka.
This menu has so many options.
Yeah, it's hard to choose. We can ask the waiter for help.
I think so / definitely / absolutely, for sure / no doubt about it.
Wow, the soup tastes amazing.
Yes, it's perfectly seasoned. Excuse me, can I get a spoon?
Sure, I'll ask the waiter. Do you prefer a fork or chopsticks?
I'll use a fork and knife. Can I try your pizza?
Of course, go ahead. Is your food spicy?
A little, but I like it. The chef did a great job.
Absolutely, everything is delicious. Can you pass me the water glass? / please pass the water bottle.
Sure, here you go. The table is really clean.
Yes, the service is good here. Are you having dessert?
Yes, I'll try the chocolate cake. I need a napkin.
There's one next to your plate. These plates look nice.
Yes, very classy. Shall we ask for the bill?
Yes, I think we're done. I really enjoyed the meal.
Me too. Let's come again.
Options. Amazing. Perfectly. Complimenting. Dessert. Prefer. I prefer tea to coffee. Delicious. Classy. Definitely. Absolutely. For sure. No doubt about it. Today, you learned how to talk in English at a restaurant with a friend. This is Real Life English. Simple, useful, and powerful. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today. Confidence comes with practice. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video. Subscribe, comment, I am learning English. In the next lesson, we'll learn more real-life English conversations. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and live the life